Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video on the View into Huck's World, and today we got an awesome freebie for you all to check out in the Gear Manager store. This one is coming from PS Watch Faces. He always does an awesome job on watch faces, and on top of it, it will be free for the taking in the Gear Manager store, and you know how this story goes. Download ASAP before free becomes paid. Now, the name of the watch face is called G-Watch 10. It's definitely a great look for a casual dress down watch face. And in the AOD mode, it's going to look just as nice for the Gear S3 and the Gear S2. But once the watch face is on, I like the black background because it really brings out the info of this watch face. But the bar going across it really adds some character to the design of this watch face. And I do like the analog hands that's on this watch face as well. So yes, you do get the best of both worlds. And he also added a smooth second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch as well. Now, up at the top, you will be able to get a PM stamp. You come down in the middle where the bar is, you're going to get your heart rate information, steps, calories burned. Also, you're going to get your date. Up at the top, you will get info on miles walked or ran as well. Down at the bottom, you are going to be able to get the info on your battery. Around the bezel of the watch, you do have shortcuts. If I tap right here, I can go in and get my weather. If I tap down here at the bottom and I'm on my run, I can play my music. You can also get your heart rate information, step information as well. So I thought that was pretty nice for a watch face, especially for those of you all who are going to be out exercising. Now, you can customize the color theme of the watch face by a double tap, and he has a few nice colors that should tie into just about anything that you may have on for the day and or night. Not a bad look by my man PS Watch Faces. Question is, at the end of the day, what do you think? All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.